Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap, or rather strap, we have this kind of lever basically, and we can pull on it. This mechanism, basically you can pull on it to retract it. And how it works is if you pull on it, it will retract, and then you can basically take out the strap, because this mechanism will make space for the bar to come out. So if you pull on it, I don't know if I can make it more visible. Come on, pull on it, and then you can simply take out the strap. It's a bit struggle sometimes, but it will come off. And that's how it works. You pull on it, it makes space for this bar to come off, because usually it's blocked by this piece of plastic when it's not pulled, and then you can take it out. Let's do the same for the other one. So pull on the lever or this mechanism and take out the strap like this. Okay, and here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get new straps, you can put them simply back on by basically you place it like this and then push it on the bar right here between on this like pole. Sometimes it needs to be at an angle, because if you put it like this, it won't go in. You just need to put it on the angle and then push it in. It's gonna click, and once it clicks, it's gonna lock, and that's how you change these straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.